The current's too strong. We need to secure the primary line immediately.
I'm calculating a stabilization window now.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables.
Pressure is holding. Almost there.
Looks clear below. Guide it up.
The hull is breached. We're taking on water fast. System failures across the board. The cockpit controls are dying. Mayday, mayday, we are...
Prep the submersible now. Roger that. Checking systems. Status green, ready to deploy. I've got a contact bearing 180, slow movement. Right.
Let me see that on the main console.
Adjusting for drift now. It's staying shallow.
I'm detecting something large. Confirmed. The sonar shows a massive ship. Enhance the resolution. Analyzing the depth contours here.
Note the anomalies in Sector 4.
Marking the insertion point now.
Confirmed. Ready for extraction protocols.
The sonar data confirms its location right here.
Altitude and trajectory match the F-35 blueprint.
Let's initiate the recovery sequence.
All systems nominal. Checking pressure.
Good. Let's make sure the tether is secure. Straps are tight. Pressure looks good.
Powering up the first light. Looks good. Check connectivity. Second light online. Stability confirmed. Third light is a go.
The signal is strong here. Remarkable preservation. Log the data. We'll need to analyze the anomaly.
Bitte benutzt.
analyze the stress points here.
Confirmed.
Good. Focus on the fuselage damage.
Main screens show increased debris.
Noted.
Secure the lines on the aft balloon.
Confirmed. The trajectory is stable.
Proceed with the lift. Watch the wind. The preliminary checks are complete. They're ready to spin up. Understood. Let's head over and ensure the final diagnostics are clear.
The primary stress points remain consistent with the initial damage reports.
Confirming readings on the lateral stabilizers.
The stress analysis confirms we need these specific brackets here.
Understood. The measurements match the schematics.
Perfect. We're ready for the final seal.
The readings are unstable. I'm calibrating it now. Hold on. We're losing time. It's ready. Let's launch.
The current's too strong. We need to secure the primary line immediately.
I'm calculating a stabilization window now.
Status update on the tether, Diver 1.
Secure. Checking hydraulics.
Monitor displays are good. Proceeding with lift.
Critical pressure is spiking.
Checking the relays now.
Monitor the trajectory.
On it.
Secure the bridge! Too late, it's already breached! Find cover! We're losing it!
I know, I can't stabilize!
Pull her out! Hurry!
Cable secure.
Roger that.
Checking tension.
Keep it steady, watching the tension here. Understood. Confirming release.
The system is engaged. Ascent is stable. Copy that. Monitoring pressure. Looks good.
Keep it steady. Watch the starboard wing.
Data confirms the lift is stable.
Roger that. Cables holding firm. Green light. Confirm lift in 3.
Confirmed. Engaging.
Check tension on rear stays.
All clear. Hooks are locked.
Affirmative. Proceed with the lift. Lifting confirmed. Slowly now.
The readings are stable, but the internal damage is severe.
Proceed as planned. Let's get it to the extraction point.
The stress test numbers are higher than expected.
Maintain current speed. We need to reach the rendezvous point quickly.
All right, bring it in slow. Watch your alignment on the starboard side. Copy that. Adjusting. Status on the tie downs? Secure, Commander. Looks stable. Keep it steady. Down a few more feet. Okay, confirming alignment. Prepare to lock. Roger. Locking now. All right, let's bring it in slow. Watch the clearance.
Positioning confirmed. Ready for inspection.
The corrosion here is extensive, especially around the wing mount.
I see that. It matches the sensor data.
We'll need a full structural assessment before we can move it.
Keep it steady. Watch the cables.
Data confirms integrity. Proceed. Keep it steady. Looking good. Adjusting parameters. Seat is stable.
The primary spar is compromised here.
We'll need to assess the extent of the rust penetration.
The intake blades show significant erosion.
Check against the historical data.
Yes, consistent with the saltwater immersion. The corrosion has spread deep into the primary fan. We need to map the structural integrity here. Look at the ingress around the exhaust bearings.
Almost there.
Data confirms alignment is perfect. Engage final locks. Solid contact. Hooks disengaging.
Almost there. Just a final torque.
The diagnostics are looking good.
Perfect. It's seated. The tolerances are tight, but it looks good.
Cross-referencing with the schematics.
Perfect fit. Line 1 connected.
One supported.
Okay, initiating cycle test. Status green.
Green 3 is steady.
Okay, connecting the auxiliary feed.
Monitor the flux.
Stabilizing now. Good. Keep it steady. Perfect. Readings are green. Looks good.
Good.
Secure it. Almost there.
Just a fraction more.
Verified. It's locked in place. Keep it steady. Looks aligned. Ready to lock.
Hydraulics are fully extended. Lock is confirmed. Excellent. Main systems online. All green.
Good. Proceed with diagnostics.
Engaging test sequence. Systems nominal. Power increase initiated. Acknowledged.
Initiating core sequence. Systems confirm. Engaging turbine rotation. Slow. Rotation verified. Building power.
The restoration is flawless.
The tolerances are all within spec.
Ready for systems checks. Transport secure.
Systems check complete.
Ready for extraction. Readings look good on this section.
Copy that. Let's move to the main stabilizer.
Engines are stable and within operational parameters.
Copy that. Ready for departure protocol.
Acknowledge.
The preliminary readings look stable, consistent with the projections.
Yeah.
I'm optimizing the fuel flow now. Everything is green.
Engaging test protocol. Steady increase.
Reading 5 by 5.
Power transfer complete. Standby.
Initiating final stage. Engine is at maximum.
Godspeed!
Initiating launch sequence.